Nilinaw ni John Vic Remulla na hindi voluntaryong sumuko si Senator Jinggoy Estrada kundi inaresto ng mga otoridad. Ayon kay Remulla, personal siyang nagtungo kasama ang mga operatiba ng CIDG upang isilbi ang kautusan laban sa senador. Bago ang pagkakaaresto, nagkaroon ng tensyon sa pagitan ni Senate President Alan Cayetano at Remulla kaugnay ng paraan ng pagsasagawa ng operasyon.
Usapan natin sa labas. Okay na usapan natin sa stand. Okay na usapan natin sa labas. Hindi sa loob ng Senado. We will walk. We will go out. You cannot. No. Even during Cory's time, hindi ginawa to. Even during Cory's time, Salonga did not allow. We are ready. We're going to walk him out. You can arrest him right outside the gate. He is voluntary. Respect the institution. This is not about Pinoy. We're going out. No, don't leave him right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. That's ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. But let's walk. Let's walk. You are resting here. Sir.
Iginiit ni Cayetano na dapat igalang ng mga otoridad ang Senado bilang isang institusyon, lalo na kung ang pag-aresto ay isasagawa sa loob ng gusali ng Senado. Sa kabila nito, itinuloy ng mga otoridad ang operasyon at dinala si Estrada sa Camp Crame para sa kaukulang proseso. Nagdulot ang magkaibang pahayag ni Cayetano at Remulla ng usapin tungkol sa balanse ng pagpapatupad ng batas at paggalang sa mga institusyon ng pamahalaan.
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. A warrant of arrest, case number E-SB26-CRM-006 for plunder under RA 7080. The following are enjoined to arrest: Chief of Police, San Juan City, Provincial Director, Regional Director, NBI, the Director, NBI, NCRPO, and Chief PNP, and the CIDG. You are hereby commanded to arrest Jose Jinggoy Pimentel Estrada, Manuel Manligas Bonoan, Denril Cesar Sages Cortuna, Manny Bumagat Blusan, Arthur Lobres Gonzalez, who stand charged above stated crime, and bring them therefore to the court to be dealt with the law and the rule of court. Direct, no bail. Quezon City, Philippines, on 1st day of June 26, signed Honorable Zaldi V. Trespeces, Chairperson, Associate Justice. At approximately 3:30 p.m., I arrived at the Senate to implement the warrant of arrest. Wala nang pong maganap na nangyari. Sumama po si Jinggoy. Binasahan po siya ng Miranda rights niya kasama kanyang abogado. Naiintindihan niya, tinanong sa kanya kung naiintindihan niya kung anong ang charges laban sa kanya. Sabi niya naiintindihan niya. Mapayapa siyang sumama dito sa CIDG, process and resto. Currently, 2 are ready in the Sandigan Bayan. 2 are on their way to the Sandigan Bayan on the 5th Division. Secretary Bonoan is on his way to the hospital because his hypertension was listed at 192/100. He will be kept there for an indeterminate amount of time before he stabilizes, and when the doctor says that he is fit to stand trial, then he will be brought to the Sandigan Bayan. Meanwhile, full security po siya, hindi po siya makakalabas at restricted access papunta sa kanya. Senator Jinggoy cooperated fully together with the other accused. They were found to be in good health and are now on their way to face the courts. Questions?
Sir, nakunan kayo ni Senate SP Alan Cayetano na parang medyo nagtatalo pa kayo. Was he requesting for you not to arrest him?
No. The question was whether yung separation of the executive and the judiciary and the legislative. Sabi niya, even at the time of Salonga, he protected Enrile. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, in a not very calm voice kasi umakit na, "Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped." Okay,
So
next.
ano ibig sabihin? Wala na,
So,
hindi
yes.
na honor yung ganong separation.
We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made, we will make the arrest.
So just for clarification, ang tamang term is you went there to arrest him, you served the warrant, or, so it means he was arrested, or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. He was read his Miranda rights, and from there he was brought here to Krami to be processed.
How about the 4 others? Did they personally surrender?
Secretary Bonongan went here. The one from DPWH, I forgot his name. He was here, so voluntary surrendered.
All 4?
The 2 others voluntary surrendered to the Sandigan Bayan.
Okay.
Sir, nasa taas pa ba si Senator Jinggoy? At sumunod
Umalis na siya as of 5 minutes ago. Papunta na sila sa Sandigan.
Ano specifically ang ginawa sa kanila sa booking procedure? Can you just walk
There
us
is
through?
he started with the fingerprint, then he went through the mugshot, then he went through the medical clearance. Tinapos muna silang tatlo. Nung natapos yung tatlo, dinicide na si Secretary Bronon was not fit to go to the Sandigan, kaya diniretso muna siya sa hospital.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada requested prior to this for a knee replacement surgery.
No,
Anong pinag-usapan ninyo?
it was a concern of his. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, wala akong kapangyarihan dyan. Ang Sandigan Bayan lang ang pwede magsabi kung pwede siya magpa-opera o hindi.
Sir, si Senate President, bakit sumama hanggang dito?
I think to show solidarity with Jinggoy, he said that sasamahan kita pre, and that's his exact words, sasamahan kita.
Wala naman siyang other request, sir, maliban doon siya nakapit.
Wala naman.
Sir, si Bonoan, sa ospital mo, dito pa ba sa...
Di ko alam eh, sasabi ko kung saan, kung saan yung
PNPGH.
PNPGH, yes.
So, dito sa hospital ng
I think so.
PNP?
Dito pa sa medical. Dito
Sa
pa.
atin, sir. Sa atin.
Dito rin. Hospital arrest, but he has not been indicted. So, iintayin natin yung indictment niya before he's formally charged. So, he is arrested, but he is not remanded by the court to go to the hospital. It was our decision kasi nga, imminent na yung stroke niya at 192. So, it was our decision na dalhin muna siya ron bago siya i-transport papunta ng Sandigan.
Sa assurance natin na walang special treatment po kay Senator Jinggoy.
Wala talaga. Same as the others who have been co-accused. Depende kung saan sasabihin ng Sandigan, they will be dealt fairly, equally. No special privileges.
You have no idea where exactly they will be committed at this point?
Sandigan is the only authority to say that.
Pero hindi po ba sir sa PCJ kung saan nakakulong ng mga ibang kasado?
Again, Sandigan is the only authority na pwede magsabi kung saan.
Sir, si Secretary Bonoan, hanggang kailan po mag-hospital arrest?
Depende sa doktor niya yan, but there is a baseline for good health kasi nakalagay doon condition of reasonable health. So pag bumaba yung mag-stabilize ang blood pressure niya, dadali na siya, magre-return of warrant na kami sa 5th
Sir,
division.
pa-explain lang po ba na kayo consider na arrest sa halip na surrender? Which is
No, he is arrested but not yet indicted.
Sir, but why it's not called surrender? Kasi yun yung narrative ng Jinggoy.
Hindi, surrender siya rito.
Surrender siya
Okay,
dito. And
he
then-
surrendered siya. He's already in the custody of the police, but he has not been formally charged in front of the judge.
No, but you arrested him.
Sir, was
He
it-
surrendered again. Okay, he surrendered. He was read his rights. Okay, but he is not yet in the custody of the court. He's in the custody of the police. So kasi may process yan, di ba? So, aharap muna siya sa judge, sa Sandigan. Then they will say guilty or not guilty. And then after that, the
Yes,
process
but the
begins.
fact that you went there personally to serve the warrant
Wait,
is serving the warrant.
Are we talking about Jinggoy or?
Yes, Jinggoy.
I was talking about Secretary Bonongan eh. Di ba?
Jinggoy ang sinasabi niya.
Okay, you didn't clarify. Before that, we were talking about Secretary Bonongan.
Okay.
When you jumped, you didn't identify it was about
I
Jinggoy.
said Jinggoy, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Okay, let's go back. Balik tayo.
Yung narrative, syempre, ng Jinggoy Camp.
Balik tayo. Okay, we arrested him in the Senate. He was read his rights in the Senate. He acknowledged of having understood his rights. Before he went to the rostrum, I warned him, sir, anything you say will be used against me. Sabi niya, yes, I understand.
Sir, but just to follow up, bakit po siya hindi natin ino-consider yung narrative niya na surrender? Because di ba he held a
Well, that's his,
press conference.
well, you can see, makikita nyo naman sa video that he was read his rights in the Senate.
Sir,
So that technically constitutes an arrest.
so sir, it's correct to say na bago po siya humarap sa press con at sinabi niya na nag-surrender siya,
He was
he's already
surrendered.
arrested.
Yes. He was read his rights.
Reaction niyo doon sa sinasabi na parang atat na atat kayong ihulihin sila, isa-isahin sila.
There is no right or wrong here. The actual warrant arrived to my possession at 2:45. At by 3:15, I was in the Senate. There is no right or wrong answer in this. As soon as I got the warrant, I acted on it.
Sir, yung konting miscommunication at altercation sa Senate kanina with Senate President, hindi ba natin tinitignan yun, sir, na tangkang obstruction of justice?
Hindi naman. He was explaining his side that it's never happened before. But my side was that nung nakawala si Bato, you lost that privilege already of having protected custody.
Paano niya tinake yun, sir, yung statement mo?
We were fine. Magkasama kami rito sa taas. We were talking afterwards and he understood.
Sir, ba't niya sinasabi yun? Di ba ang sinabi naman niya talaga from the very beginning, if it's a local court that will issue the arrest warrant, susundin nila.
Yes.
Bakit may ganun?
He was insisting that nobody could be arrested inside the Senate. He was requesting that he be brought out of the Senate first.
But this is beyond 6 years that we're talking about.
Exactly. And I said, I'm sorry, sir. There is no, we do not, you lost that privilege when Senator Bato escaped. We will arrest him now on the spot.
Was it only because of the escape of Bato or because there's also a 6-year rule na if it's beyond 6 years?
Both. Usually meron kasing Senate and executive respect for the leadership. Usually ilalabas mo na yan eh. But tama na, di ba? Tama na. There's no more hiding behind the curtains of the Senate.
Sir,
So, sir, moving forward-
pinayagan niyo ba na mag-press con siya?
It's within his rights. I warned him. I did warn him. I told him, whatever you say can be used against you. And he said he understands.
So,
So,
now that you're saying na that they lost that right after Senator Bato escaped, are you saying that he has
it's
also
not a right.
hand
It's not a
in
right.
the escape of Senator
It's not a right.
Bato?
It's a privilege.
Or
Okay,
is it,
it's a privilege.
So
It's a
whether
privilege.
it's a privilege or
No,
not,
I
are
am
you
not
saying that
implying.
he has a
I am
hand
not.
on the
I am
state?
not implying anything other than Senator Bato escaped and that we revoke that privilege of separation in terms of arrest. That we can arrest anybody inside the Senate building if necessary.
Sir, will that be a precedent sa mga susunod na lawmakers na ma-aalis?
If it is necessary, we will always do what is necessary according to the bounds of law. Remember, there is no such law as you cannot arrest anyone inside the Senate. It is
There's no such law.
It's a privilege granted to the legislative. So for the first time,
Because of courtesy?
because of courtesy, it is a courtesy. But there is no such law which prevents us from arresting anyone in the Senate.
So even if it's not beyond 6 years?
I
there's no
think
such
what
law?
is, let me get this straight and you can research it for me, but I think what is not allowed is if they are in session.
Okay.
But after
Sir,
session.
walang content na, sir. Walang content na po.
Yes, all five are accounted for.
We will entertain last two questions from the media.
Sir, possibility po ba na dito siya mag-stay? Kasi yung court po hanggang...
It's up to the Sandigan Bayan. It's up
But it's a
to,
possibility you will welcome here, sir.
we have no, the Sandigan Bayan determines where he'll be incarcerated.
Pero ready ba ang custodial facility?
The custodial
Ready ba siya?
facility is barely livable. But meaning puro daga, it's
Wala na bang nakasal doon?
it is about to be demolished because for to build a new facility. So
Wala na nagsistay doon ngayon?
I'm not familiar kung meron pa.
PNP chief?
Meron pa ba?
Wala na nagsistay doon sa...
Meron yata konti na lang yung mga Chinese na nahuli namin dati sa kidnapping.
Sir, bago kayo maghiwalay ni Senator Jinggoy, ano yung last message na po sa inyo?
Sabi niya, salamat pa rin. Yun lang. And then there was a slight altercation between me and the daughter. She gave me the dirty finger and cursed at me. I said, it's okay. I understand you're emotional.
Sino pong daughter, sir?
I don't know which one. I don't know. But I said it was nothing personal. Naging emotion lahat.